welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video. Today I'd like to show you the Meola strumming technique. The more common way of strumming the guitar is simply moving your right hand down and up, like this. Absolutely nothing wrong with that, but I'd like to show you another way you can do it. The Meola way. By simply lifting up your wrist, you make a movement possible just by twisting your ulnar and radius, like this. And it's absolutely not exhausting at all. It's first maybe difficult to control. You simply lay down your arm on the guitar and twist your hand. And I could do that for hours. And it's also suitable for funk guitar, of course. So maybe this is also something for you. I wish you happy hours with your guitar. And by the way, if you want to stay at the ball, please like and subscribe and see you next time.